Cromer kids, and today is a new day working remotely on campus. And so today brings us September 25th, and I've added a new picture to our calendar because today is a special day in Arizona history and in the United States history, I would believe. And so today our governor set aside September 25th as Sandra Day O'Connor Day, and he made a proclamation. But Sandra Day was an important woman in history because she was the first woman appointed to the United States Supreme Court, and she was also born in Arizona. So I did a little hyperlink here. It will take you to the page that tells all about Sandra Day O'Connor and her day and how important she was in our history. And so just a little thing to point out today. Today for breakfast and for lunch. For breakfast, we do have our cinnamon cream cheese stuffed bagel. And for lunch, mini turkey corn dogs. We do have some birthdays on campus, and I'd like to wish people a happy birthday for today and also over the weekend. So today's birthday are Mia, Easton, and Wyatt. Happy birthday, you guys. And then over the weekend, we have Bryden and Melody. And so I just want to point out happy birthday to all of you. I hope it's a great day from the Cromer community to you. I did put up a new quote of the day, and really I thought about fall and autumn and everything changing. Are you seeing the leaves change like I am at my house and on the mountains? They're beautiful. So this one says, autumn, the year's last, loveliest smile. Remember that we can show kindness, and today is our Friday Assembly. So right after we do the pledge, Mr. Davis will take over, and it's Friday Assembly Day, my favorite. And I hope to see some pictures and some kindness challenges and some videos this week.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Drum roll of the week is to Miss Vano's first grade class. You are awesome musicians. Thank you.
All right, my shout outs to 3rd, 4th, and 5th for working hard on our surveys. Awesome job.
So you're doing fantastic getting those book reports in, even without technology. Keep it up.
My shout outs to Elsie in Miss Imithan's class for always going and doing her assignments ahead of time and along with us as well and submitting everything. You're awesome. Thank you.
Hi, I want to give a shout out to Jackson for turning in work on Canvas this week. Great job, bud.
And I want to give a shout out to Kevin for always participating in class.
Hello, friends. I want to give a shout out to Quinn and to Wyatt for their great participation this week.
Hello, first graders. This is Miss Edwards, and I would like to shout out Grace and Thaden for always being on top of their work, completing all the directions, and turning it in. Nice job. Thank you, Thaden and Grace.
Hi, first graders. It is Ms. Vano, and I want to shout out to Cameron and Caleb for all of their hard work each day on Canvas and Zoom. And I love how you guys participate in class. You're always completing your assignments thoughtfully and carefully and doing your best work every single day. Awesome job. Keep it up.
Hi, it's Miss Strauss, and I just wanted to give a shout out this week to August and to Zoe. You guys have been working so hard through Canvas, just like the rest of our first grade friends, making sure that you're always checking the things on your to-do list, and you have been so responsible this week. So I just want to say thank you so much.
Yay, first grade.
Good job, you guys.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Harkey, and I wanted to give a shout out to my whole class for working so hard on Dreambox and Lexia, and especially Ian. He did a great job on Lexia, and keep up the good work. I'm so proud of you.
Hi, Miss Cassidy. I want to give a shout out to Keith as well for doing so well on Lexia and for always telling us how much he knows about dinosaurs and lava sharks and volcanoes.
Hi, I'm Miss Oliva. I want to shout out my whole class for everybody making their minutes on Lexia this week. Awesome job.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Lee, and I'd like to shout out Callie and Lily for the good job that they've been doing for reading books after lunch to the class. Thank you very much for participating, and you have been excellent readers. I appreciate that.
Wow, that sounds so fun. Miss Sharp here, and I wanted to give a shout out to Corey for always participating. He always has his hand up. He's always eager to learn, and he just puts a smile on my face every time he answers those questions. So thanks so much, Corey, for being an awesome participant. Thanks, second grade, for another great week, and we can't wait to see you back here again next time.
All right, fourth grade, I'd like to do a shout out to my entire class. This week we did our experiments with energy transfer, and you guys did an amazing job. I was so impressed with your inventive experiment that you came up with. But a special shout out to Taylor for doing the egg drop and showing us energy transfer with an egg, and also to Armando with the invention of doing a heavy rock on a plastic cup and what would happen. You guys did a really good job, and I didn't have to prompt you a lot, and you knew what the energy transfer was. Good job.
Okay, Wildcats, from Miss Kaiser's class, I'd like to send a shout out to Atreyu and to Emily. Both have been extremely responsible and getting assignments in. They work after school working on assignments in Canvas, so I'm really proud of both of them. And I also want to mention Mrs. Kaiser lost internet today, and when she logged back on, lo and behold, her students had managed to turn on the slideshow and have the math recorded lesson from Mrs. Marquardt up and playing, and they were all taking notes when I was able to log back in like 15 minutes later. So a shout out to my entire fourth grade, because wow, way to go, that was amazing.
Yes, I agree, Miss Kaiser. You're amazing class there.
That's amazing. Good job.
Great.
Happy Friday, this is Miss Geller. I would like to give a shout out to Maddie for doing an outstanding job on her research this week and for being a fantastic team leader in Jeopardy! I would also like to give a shout out to Damien for working super hard on all of his assignments this week and always raising his hand to participate and answer questions and ask questions. So great job to the both of you.
Howdy Wildcats, Miss Will here with a huge shout out for my fourth grade EPA class for the incredible conversations that we have had during our writing hour in the morning. It has truly been the highlight of my week, and I look so forward to continuing those conversations next week and into future weeks. My first individual shout out goes to James for just jumping into remote learning on day one and really holding strong this entire time. You're so helpful to me and incredibly supportive of your classmates, because this transition and time of adapting hasn't been easy for all of us. And my second individual shout out is for Spencer for the most improved attitude and participation during this time of remote learning. I'm just so glad that you're choosing more and more every week and every day to spend time with us, because you what you add to our academic conversations is very valuable, and we're just fortunate to have you learning with us. Have a great weekend.
All right, good morning, everybody. Fifth grade here. I'd like to start off by thanking all the students in fifth grade for meeting your Lexia minutes. And I'd like to give a special shout out for my class, where those students who have gone above and beyond. Aiden, CJ, and Madison T. Thank you for all your hard work on Lexia this week.
Okay, and the students that went over and above and beyond in my class were Brianna and Dalen, Teresa, Aisha, and Hayden. So great job with really doing well with Lexia.
And I want to give a special shout out to Hannah S. for going above and beyond and more than doubling her Lexi minutes. Good job, Hannah.
Great job, 5th grade.
Think like a scientist, think like a scientist. Process in your brain. Let's get everybody trying this. Think like a scientist, think like a scientist. Rule that lab like a fierce science lioness. Observe, ask a question, hypothesize, propose an answer, experiment, test the question, analyze, bam, look at the result, report. Here it is. Tell them what you learned. Bring that lab heat, y'all. Bunsen burned.
Wait, isn't that the scientific method?
Yeah, that's just another way of saying it.
Got it. To observe. You ask a question and then start to theorize. Make an educated guess about the question in order to hypothesize. When you